Hi there, I'm Tyranosarusrex, but you can call me T-Rex. Are you here to learn how to draw me? Oh well, let's learn it together. But let me tell you some of the cool facts about myself. I am one of the biggest meat eater. I could grow up to 40 feet long and I can weigh around 9 tons, as much as an elephant. Yeah, I'm too heavy. And my bite is bone crushing. My jaws are super strong and they are so strong enough to crush a bone in a single chomp. I had a banana sized teeth. Oh, yeah, it sounds funny. But my teeth could be up to 12-inch long. I wasn't the fastest, but I was powerful. I could run at a speed of 12 to 20 miles per hour. Not super fast, but enough to chase down my prey. I had tiny arms, but they were strong. Yes, they are. My arms may have been short, but have powerful muscles and could lift over 400 pounds. You know, I ruled North America. I lived about 66 million years ago. During the late Cretaceous period, it is mostly what is now called US and Canada. I had a great vision and smell. My eyes face forward, giving me binocular vision to spot prey from far away. Plus, my sense of smell was one of the best among dinosaurs. I wasn't the only T Rex. I had cousins. Other Tyrannosaurus like Albertosaurus and Gorgosaurus, they lived before me, but I was the largest and last of my kind. I am a celebrity. Oh, yeah, yes. I am a celebrity. Fossil like Sue and Scotty are some of the most famous and complete T Rex skeletons ever found. But sadly, I went extinct with other dinosaurs around 66 million years ago when a massive asteroid hit the Earth, leading to the extinction of me and my dino friends. But don't worry, birds are my closest living relative. So, yeah, I was a total legend. Pretty cool, huh? I'm sure you enjoyed these facts about me. Isn't they amazing? And now I'm sure you learn how to draw me. See you next time with my another dino friend. Till then, ta-da!
Hello to the noodles. Welcome back.